Today we are going to see how to fill columns in backward direction from another column using pandas in Python. So go to candy.openviewer.com. In our case, we want to backward fill from another column using pandas in Python. Let's go ahead with the first one, which uses pandas library. But before going ahead, make sure that you have this library installed. If not, you can directly copy the package installation script here. Now let's get back to our code. I'm going to copy the code directly from here with a single click and paste it into my IDE. First, we are importing the necessary library. Then this part of the code, we are storing the key values pair into a data frame. Then in this part of the code, we are performing the backward filling operation. Now let's run the code. And yes, now we are done with the backward filling operation.